Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can move an image forward in Google Docs. So let's say you have two images and you want to put them on top of each other. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. I'm going to firstly drag my two images of the parrots I have. And now the first thing is I'm going to resize this bigger one. Then you need to select over here if you want to put this image on top or behind. So if you want to put this behind, you're gonna select behind the text. This is going to basically put this behind the other image or in front of the image. So I'm gonna do in front of the image. Then I'm gonna choose fixed position on page. And you can see it automatically added this first picture over here. And I will keep it on in front of the text because we have a lot of space on this right side. So what I can do, I can simply drag it over here. But firstly, I'm gonna do this one behind the text. So make sure to select this one behind the text, fixed position on page. Now we can drag this in the corner. I'm gonna a little bit resize it. A little bit more. Like this. And now it's perfectly on top of each other. So this is how you can move image forward, or how you can layer your two images. If you want to do the opposite, you can basically do this one in front of the text and the other one behind the text. But you are not going to be able to see that because you have to do it maybe like this or this. Okay, so this is going to be all for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.